Hello, good day everyone. In this video, we are going to solve this problem, and we have a x raised to the power 4 plus x square. This is equal to 20, and we find the value of x. So let's start. Look at this first term. We write this 4 as a 2 multiply 2 plus the next term is a x square. It's equal to 20. Now we write this power 2 multiply 2 as a x square, then whole square plus x square is equal to 20. Now in the next step we let that x square is equal to t. Then this above equation will become a t square plus t. It's equal to 20. We subtract our 20 on both sides, then we get a t square plus t minus 20. It's equal to 0. Now this will become a quadratic equation. Find the factor of this equation. Look at this t square. The coefficient of t square is 1 and the constant is a minus 20. Multiply this 1 by minus 20, we get a minus 20, and our middle value is t. The coefficient of this is a 1. We split this 1 into two values such that if we multiply these two values, then we get a minus 20. Add or subtract these two values, then we get a this coefficient 1. So we write this as a 5 multiply minus 4. So these two values are 5 and minus 4. If we multiply, then we get a minus 20, and if we subtract, then we get a this value 1. So we write this equation as a t square plus 5t minus 4t minus 20 is equal to 0. So now look at this first two term, t involved in this two terms. So we factor out t, then this remaining value will become a t plus 5, and minus 4 involved in this two terms. So we factor out minus 4, then this remaining value will become a t plus 5. It's equal to 0. And we write this as a t minus 4 multiply t plus 5. This is equal to 0. So this implies one of them must be equal to 0. So we write this as a t minus 4 it's equal to 0, or t plus 5 it's equal to 0. So look at this. Add a t on both sides, then we get a t is equal to 4. And look at this. Subtract a 5 on both sides, then we get a t is equal to minus 5. This we get the two value of t. First is a 4, and the second value is t is equal to minus 5. And we let that t is equal to x square. So we have a x square it's equal to 4, and this will become a x square is equals to minus 5. So look at this. We just find the value of x. For this, we take a square root on both sides. So take a square root on this side and also take a square root on this side. This square and square root will cancel. We just get a x, and square root 4 is equal to plus minus 2. So look at this. Here we also take a square root on both sides. So this square and square root will cancel. We just get a x is equal to, we write this as a plus minus square root 5 iota. This is the answer of x in our question. Now we verify these answers one by one. So our equation is a x raised to the power 4 plus x square is equal to 20. Now first of all we verify for x is equals to plus minus 2. So this is a plus minus 2 raised to the power 4 plus minus 2 x raised to the power square is equal to 20. Now look at this. If x is a 2, then this will become a 16, and if x is a minus 2, then this is also will become a 16. So the both case, if we expand this form, then we get a 16. Plus look at this. If x is a 2, then this is a 4, and if x is a minus 2, then this is also 4. So 16 plus 4 is a 20. So in this case, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So now we verify for x is equals to plus minus square root 5 iota, and we have a x raised to the power 4, and x is a plus minus square root 5 iota raised to the power 4 plus minus square root 5 iota x square, and x is a this one. It's equal to 20. Look at this. If x is a positive square root 5 iota, then we write this as a square root 5 whole raised to the power 4 iota raised to the power 4. And if x is a negative square root 5 iota, then this negative will become a positive because in power we have a even number. Plus, at this, if this is a positive, then we write this as a square root 5 whole square and iota square. And if x is a negative square root 5 iota, then this negative will become a positive because power is a even number. This is equal to 20. Now we write this as a square root 5 2 multiply 2 and iota raised to the power 4, we write this as a iota square whole square plus this square and square root will cancel, we just get a 5, and iota square is equals to minus 1, so here we write a minus 1, it's equal to 20. Now look at this, the square and square root will cancel, we just get a 5 and its square is a 25, so here we write a 25, and iota square is a minus 1, here we write a minus 1, it's square, so here we write a 2, and this will become a minus 5, it's equal to 20. Now this minus 1 square will become a 1, multiply this 1 by 25, we get a 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. 25 minus 5 is equal to 20, and right hand side is also 20. So in our question, x is equals to plus minus 2 and x is equals to plus minus square root 5 iota. These are the answer of our question, and we have done. Thank you.